Check out my gray. Secret recipe for amazing gray hair. The first way is the easiest way. Just get older. My way. Have beautiful, long, straight, dark brown hair. Graduate high school. Get married. Watch your husband go out to sea on a Navy ship during wartime. Move to a different state where you know no one. Work hard while he's gone. Have him come home and go out again during a war. Have a child. No idea what you're doing, so just fly by the seat of your pants. Have a couple miscarriages. Have another child with a major medical issue. He needs surgery. He needs hospital stays. We need to go to the doctors. That should take half an hour and it takes 8 hours because the doctor takes all day. Decide to homeschool. Why not? Get pregnant. Can't walk. Doesn't matter. Get pregnant again. Get pregnant again. Homeschool. Try to make ends meet on one income. My husband's a great provider, so that wasn't too much of a struggle. Continue to homeschool. Have the first son turn 12 and almost kill him. Have the second son turn 12 and realize, I think it's a 12-year-old thing. Write a blog post and share everything that you know with surviving 12-year-old boys in the descriptions. Survive moving across the state. Get a dog, because why not? Have the dog be a sheep herding dog that terrifies one of your children, because he does what sheep herding dogs do, and that's nip at their heels and chase them into circles so that he can herd them together. Have the dog fixed. Put the cone of shame on him, put him in a crate and move him 8 hours away from where he is so that he's completely miserable. Move again. Shuttle kids from a charter school to a public school. Realize you made a mistake and then grit your teeth and bear it until he graduates. Continue to homeschool the other kids, but don't do the same thing for each and every one of the kids. Make sure you change your mind about curriculum 4 or 5 times throughout the school year. Start a blog. Write about the journey of homeschool. Try to start doing things like social media. Start to record yourself and realize, wow, do I really look and sound like that on camera? Catch a glimpse of yourself in the sun and wonder, when did my hair turn gray? Or at least that's how it worked for me.